how to enable end-to-end encryption in Messenger. Want to keep your private chats really private? In this video, I'll be showing you how you can enable end-to-end encryption. For that, let's get started. First, open the Messenger application on your device. Make sure you are logged into your device. Now you will see chat section right here. Okay, here choose the friend you want to chat with. Let's choose them. Now once you choose it, tap on their name at the top right here. Tap on it. Now you scroll down. Now you can see verify end-to-end encryption. Just tap on this right here and it will be verified. Wait for a few minutes and that's it. Your end-to-end encryption was verified like this. Simple, right? This is how you can verify end-to-end encryption in Messenger. Hope this video helped you out. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.